Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Squarespace website builder. To begin, you will select from hundreds of professionally designed templates, ensuring it perfectly matches your brand's aesthetic and functional requirements. Next, personalize your site's appearance by adjusting colors, fonts, and overall layout. Finally, add your core pages, such as an About Us section, a contact page, and a services or products page, laying a solid foundation for your online presence. Once your basic structure is in place, it's time to populate your site with engaging content. Squarespace offers a drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to easily add various content blocks like text, images, and videos. Arrange these elements within sections and layouts to create a visually appealing and organized presentation. Remember to optimize your content with relevant keywords and descriptions, which significantly improves your site's visibility on search engines, attracting more visitors. Squarespace is not just for informational sites, it's also a powerful platform for e-commerce. You can effortlessly set up an online store, adding products, managing inventory, and processing payments securely. For even greater functionality, integrate third-party services for email marketing, scheduling, or advanced analytics. Regularly monitoring your site's performance through built-in analytics helps you understand visitor behavior and make informed decisions for growth. With your site built and content added, the next step is to launch it to the world. Connect a custom domain name to give your website a professional and memorable address. Before going live, conduct a thorough review of every page and feature to ensure everything functions perfectly. After launch, remember that website maintenance is an ongoing process. Regularly update your content and monitor your site's performance to keep it fresh and effective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.